Best electric cargo bikes. The demand for the best electric cargo bikes is rising quickly as commuters, families, and eco-conscious riders look for efficient alternatives to cars without sacrificing power or durability. Modern electric cargo bikes offer strong motors, sturdy frames, generous load capacity, and user-friendly designs suitable for hauling groceries, gear, or passengers. In this guide, we evaluate build quality, motor performance, battery life, comfort, layout, and overall value to help you choose the perfect electric cargo companion.
Product number 1. Gyroor Adults Electric Scooter. While technically a scooter, the Gyroor Adults Electric Scooter offers excellent cargo-friendly performance thanks to its powerful motor and stable build, making it a versatile mobility option for quick hauling and short-distance deliveries. Its robust frame supports heavier loads than typical scooters, allowing riders to secure bags or small packages with confidence. The dual suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring stability even when carrying extra weight. A long-lasting battery delivers reliable mileage for commuting or errand runs, and the folding mechanism adds practicality for tight storage spaces. The bright LED display, multiple speed modes, and enhanced braking system make operation smooth and safe. Though not a traditional cargo bike, it earns a spot for riders wanting compact electric transport with surprising cargo capability. For urban environments where maneuverability and portability matter as much as load support, the Gyroor scooter is a strong value pick.
Product number 2. EUY Electric Bike for Adults. The EUY electric bike for adults stands out with its powerful motor and rugged fat tire design, making it ideal for carrying cargo across varied terrain. Its sturdy frame supports additional weight without compromising balance, allowing riders to mount baskets, racks, or panniers with ease. The motor delivers strong acceleration, especially useful when starting from a stop with heavy loads. With multiple riding modes and a long-range battery, the EUY bike ensures dependable performance for commuting, shopping, or family outings. The fat tires enhance grip and stability, providing a smooth ride even when the bike is fully loaded. Integrated headlights and a clear digital display add convenience and safety for nighttime or early morning trips. Overall, this bike offers excellent durability and adaptability at a competitive price point, making it a great option for riders needing a cargo-capable electric bike with power to spare.
Product number 3. BlueBike-O 2-Seater Electric Bike. The BlueBike-O 2-Seater Electric Bike is designed with family and cargo in mind, offering ample seating and a robust structure that easily supports 2 adults or a combination of rider and cargo. Its strong motor makes transporting heavier loads effortless, and the extended seat layout provides comfort for passengers during longer rides. The frame is designed for stability, reducing wobble when carrying additional weight. A long-range battery ensures dependable travel, whether you're taking kids to school, running errands, or commuting with extra gear. The inclusion of fat tires improves traction and shock absorption, making the ride smooth and secure. Riders will appreciate the dependable braking system and ergonomic handlebars that enhance control. For those seeking an electric cargo bike capable of doubling as a passenger carrier, the BlueBike-O 2-Seater offers impressive versatility and value.
Product number 4. Gylason Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Compact yet surprisingly cargo capable, the Gylason Folding Electric Bike is ideal for riders who need portability without giving up load-carrying functionality. Its foldable frame makes it perfect for apartment storage, office transport, or vehicle trunk placement. Despite its compact size, the bike features a strong motor that handles inclines and additional cargo weight with ease. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure comfortable ergonomics for long rides, while the durable construction supports racks or baskets for groceries and gear. The battery delivers solid range for daily commuting, and the intuitive control panel keeps riders aware of speed, mode, and battery levels. Its tires offer good grip and cushioning on both urban roads and light trails. For anyone seeking a versatile, space-saving electric cargo solution, Gylason provides excellent practicality and long-term value.
Product number 5. High Keep Electric Bike. The High Keep electric bike combines strength, comfort, and reliability, making it a great option for riders who need an electric cargo bike capable of handling daily tasks. Its high-performance motor offers responsive power, especially useful when carrying groceries, tools, or backpacks. The sturdy frame and reinforced rear rack maximize load support while maintaining balance and smooth handling. With a dependable battery, the High Keep provides consistent mileage suitable for commutes or weekend hauling. The suspension system softens bumps, ensuring comfort even when the bike is fully loaded. Riders will appreciate the bright headlight, digital display, and secure braking system for added safety. The bike's layout supports a variety of cargo attachments, making it adaptable for personal or practical use. For overall value, capability, and build quality, the High Keep electric bike is a dependable choice for everyday cargo-friendly riding.